Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed that J.K. Jerome had completed the packing. After that, he became suspicious whether he had put toothbrush or not. And now he also remembers so many incidents taking toothbrush. Of course, I had to turn every molded thing out now, and of course, I could not find it. He was unable to find it. I rummaged the things. Rummaged. I rummaged the thing. Rummaged means search thoroughly the things up into much the same state that they must have been before the world was created, and when Chaos confusion behind ruled over the world was created. Of course, I found George's and Harry's 18 times over, but I could not find it. He was able to find the toothbrush of George and Harry so many times, but he was unable to find out his toothbrush. I put the things back one by one and held everything up and shook it. Then I found it inside a boot. I repacked once more. Ultimately, he was able to find the toothbrush that was in the boot, and again he repacked. When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it wasn't, and I slammed the bag shut and strapped it and found that I packed my spectacles in it and had to reopen it. And now, when he had finished at that time, George asked him whether he had kept soap or not, but he didn't care, and he also found that he had unpacked it. He had packed his spectacles in it, and he had to reopen it. It got shut up finally at 10:5 p.m. and then there remained the hampers. Hampers means basket to do. Now it was completed at 10:5 p.m. but hampers left and they have to sell hamper also. Harry said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time and thought that he and George had better do the rest. And Harry said that he and George will do the rest of the packing. And I agreed. I means the narrator agreed and sat down. They had a go. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently, clearly, intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment. I only waited, with the exception of George. Harris is the worst beggar in this world, and he thought that they are the worst beggar. I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stoves and cakes and tomatoes, etc. He was watching all these things and felt that the thing would soon become very exciting. It did. They started with breaking a cup. First of all, they break a cup. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you what they could do and to get you interested. Then Harry packed the strawberry jam to top of a tomato. He was so foolish that he kept the strawberry jam on the tomato. What is the result? Squashed, crushed, and they had to pick up the tomato with a teaspoon. In this way, they are doing packing. And then it was George's turn, and he stepped on the butter. He was so foolish that he walked on the butter. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table, as you can see in the picture, and watched them. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. I felt that it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things and put things behind them, and then couldn't find them when they wanted them. They packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on the top. They are so foolish that they kept light things in the bottom and put heavy things on the top. So what would be the result? They are smashed. Then they upset salt over everything. They upset salt over everything. As for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did after George had got it off his slipper. They tried to put it in the kettle. It wouldn't go in. Now they are trying to put the kettle, but they were unable to do so. And what was in wouldn't come out. They did scrape it out at last and put it down on a chair, and Harry sat on it and stuck to him, and they went looking for it all over the room. I will take my oath I put it down on that chair, said George, staring at the empty seat. I saw you do it yourself not a minute ago, said Harris. Then they started round the room again looking for it, and then they met again in the center and stared at one another. And now, students, I think you are able to understand it. This video you will see it, so you will be understand the rest of the lesson. Thank you.